Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make multiple half square triangles. So if you have a quilt like the one behind me that is sunshine on a cloudy day, you can whip up all those half square triangles quickly. I have kits available for this quilt behind me. In case you're interested, you can go to the description and find the link to order those. All right, if you like my videos, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To make multiple flying geese that you can use in my sunshine on a cloudy day pattern, you're going to want your background and what you want your half square triangle, the opposite to be your alternate fabric. You're going to want two 6-inch by 18-inch strips. We're going to take the one, we're going to measure 6-inch boxes here and make a line. I'm doing this with the Sharpie because I want you to be able to see the line. Doesn't really matter what you mark it with, simply because you're going to cut on these lines, so it's not a big deal. And then we're going to go from corner to corner. Then we're going to put our background and our print together. And then from these diagonal lines, we're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side. So as you're coming down here, stitch, 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 stitch. When you get here, you can put your needle down, pivot, and stitch this way. And when you're coming out and going on this way, you're just going to come a little farther and then line up again and stitch your 1/4 inch. Next, we're just going to take our ruler and line it up on that line that we drew, and we're just going to cut our half square triangles. And to square up our half square triangles, just because it will make it go together nicely and fit well, we're going to line up our essential triangle ruler on the green line that says 4 inches. It doesn't matter where we are either way, along here, just as we square that up. Then let's take off our dog ears, and we can just press that open. And that will give you 6 half square triangles that you can disperse throughout your quilt, since sunshine on a cloudy day takes so many. This is a great way to use like lengths from fat quarters. It goes together really fast. Remember, I have kits, so get yours for the throw size. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.